belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart. And I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart.
But now, you only stop by every once in a while. Shit, I find myself just filling my time with anything to keep the thought of you from my mind. I'm doing fine, and I'm planning to keep it that way. You can call me if you find that you have something to say, and I'll tell you, I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you and your career.
I've been trying to do it right, I've been living a lonely life, I've been sleeping here instead, I've been sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed. So show your family all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. And I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart. And I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart.
I don't think I'm right for him. Look at what it might have been if I took a bus to Chinatown. I've been standing on Canal in Bowery.
See me standing next to me. And I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart. And I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart.
Some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long, and I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me to not feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot, working my day around a call, but when I pick up I don't have much to say, so
I belong with you, you belong with me in my sweetheart.